WANO SSL acceleration configuration. WANO did support SSL acceleration by import server certificate to decrypt SSL traffic. WANO must able to identify the content before the acceleration word. Users have to import server certificate installer in their server. The import of certificate will help WANO can identify what type of traffic being encrypted by private key and acceleration for it. Mostly the encrypted service such as HTTPS, FTP, and Exchange protocol will be supported in a WANO. This is how SSL acceleration works in a user environment. The client requests the service from the HTTPS server and pass to the WANO. The branch WANO identifies it as a SSL encrypted traffic and requests the HQ WANO for server certificate. After branch WANO gets the certificate, it will be able to decrypt the SSL content and establish the acceleration tunnel. Once the traffic reaches HQ WANO and if encrypt process before send the request to the HTTPS server, the HTTPS request successfully make and reach the purpose of the acceleration at the same time. Now we talk about the basic configuration of it. In this breaker, I will create a simple HTTPS acceleration. First of all, I have to create a user in the HQ WANO for the connection of branch WANO. Create a policy group and select the service you would like to make acceleration. Next, import the server certificate to the HQ WANO once the speedup traffic is encrypted. Lastly, establish a new connection from branch with the previous user information. At the end, user can see the result of the acceleration. First of all, we have to configure the connection setting in the HQ WANO and set up some policy for it. So it will be a list of service predefined in the WANO default configuration with different protocol. User can look into the description to familiar with the service information. According to the step mentioned, we have to create a user group information for branch WANO connection. In here, we will simply rename it as a branch and assign the 1234 as a password. So we should select the WOC for establish tunnel for branch connection instead of the remote user. So the new rule is being created. The next step, we have to create a new policy and select the service user would like to accelerate. So in here, I just simply rename it as a HTTPS acceleration. So I did select HTTPS application only. Apply the rules to the previous user that was created to let branch establish connection with the HQ. So the new policy group was being created. Right now, we have to practice the way to import the server certificate. So I have removed to the HTTPS web server and create a new certificate for it. Firstly, user could press start button and enter MNC in the search bar and access a Microsoft Management Console. Next, we have to click the file and select add or remove snap-in. It will be a list of snap-in available to add in. So in here, I can add in the new certificate over here by moving it to the selector snap-in. So in here, I will select computer account and local computer information to generate the certificate. We can find there will be two certificates under personal tab. Only the first certificate included the private key. Then I will right click all tasks and export the key to the desktop. Of course, I will select the option to export a private key as well and select include info certificate if possible. So user have to enter the password for it. In here, I will select the desktop as a destination path and rename it as a certificate and export it. Once the process done, we can see the certificate is being exported to the desktop. Then we can copy it and paste to the PC connected to the WANO, and we can start to insert to the WANO as well. So we move back to the WANO web UI again and select the certificate under web automation category. So we create a new rules for it. In here, the destination IP should fill in the HTTPS web server 192.168.1.15 and the 443 port as a HTTPS services. Left all these things as a default. After all, select the certificate file has been exported from the web server. And enter the same password also. After all, click OK and import the certificate. Now we can head to the branch WANO and establish the connection with it. User can locate the client tab under the web automation and create a new peer WOC for it. Simply rename it again for the HTTPS acceleration. Next, enter the username we created in the HQ WANO, which is branch and following password 1234. In here, the IP address should type in the 192.168.1.254, which is the HQ WANO. After all, we can leave all this setting as a default. And click OK, save for it. Then the connection is successfully established. That's all for my tutorial. Thank you.